Form video. This is the second video on the disciplined trader. Very excited. We are going to look at some currencies. Again, we're going to look at gold and silver, and then we're also going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is going to be so fun. Come in daily, do the grind, watch the work, build the discipline. Let's go on, get on with it. So the first thing we're looking at is Euro USD, probably the most traded currency pair in the world, trillions of dollars. Simple analysis, great mindset. That's what I believe in. That's how the money is made. That's what we're going to do. We're going to come here every day, do the hustle, show it to the world that we don't need courses. We just need a community where we build, and we will build that discipline in all of you. You just need to show up every day. Okay, so let's look at what's happening daily. What's happening? There's an indecision, and we know what's going to happen. Do we? We don't, just joking. So, as we always think in terms of probability, so what's going to happen here is try to break down this important level at 1.159. Now it's bounced back. There's a big candle. Whenever this kind of big candle happens, two things happen according to me. Number one that can happen is it will go sideways. If it doesn't go sideways, it will go down. If it doesn't go down, it will go up. Probably that's what happens in most scenario. But let's go into the hourly time frame and see what's happening here. So if I look at the hourly time frame, it tried going up. This is a good buying opportunity which came, and it's reacted from here. It went up, and now it's taking some rejection. So the possibilities from here is um it will continue going up, and that's what my bias is, because the trend in the 15-minute is also broken in a long upward trend. So my analysis here is to go long, but as you know, for today my daily stop out limit is already done. So if anyone's still in the limits, do your analysis, take your trade. So my bias for tomorrow now is to go long in this. Now let's move into gold, where I've already had two stop losses being made. This is an important level, but it's still coming down. Some news of some Fox not, or I don't know, some gold storage in US, which is going to be audited. Not sure how it will impact the market, but what we want to look at here is what's happening with the trend. The trend is, as you can see, it's clearly a downtrend here, but we were expected a bounce back from here, which hasn't happened yet. It doesn't mean it may not happen, but if I look at this, it's still going down. So my analysis now is still that it should respect this, but now it's going to be a wait and watch game. If it comes down and breaks these important levels, I will only trade after that. I'm not going to take another long just yet. I'm going to have to look for a reversal. For now, I don't see that. The only opportunity of long I see now is at this level. If it comes to 4432, that's where I will risk my money. But as of now, it's a wait and watch in gold. Now let's get into silver. No trades taken today. But here it's a positive scenario. Gap down, looks like that, going up strong. So I think my focus is going to be on silver for tomorrow. I'm going to be looking for a long trade. Depends on how the market looks like. It's still in the range. So I'm gonna hope that it still stays in the bigger range in this scenario until tomorrow goes sideways, and tomorrow it breaks out. That's gonna be ideal for me, but I can't control that. Let's move on to the next stock, which is Bitcoin, showing some weakness. The current price action is looking down. Let's go to 1 hour chart, and we'll see what's happening in 1 hour as well. It's breaking down. So good opportunity in Bitcoin. This is a good level. It's breaking down. We'll see it tomorrow morning for myself. But if someone is looking to take a trade, do your own analysis. Looking very weak, put in stop loss and target. Next, we are going to look at Ethereum. The chart is not loading up properly for this one. Again, same as Bitcoin, looking weak. If I go into the weekly as well, oh boy, it's looking too weak. And there is a trend line which it may break. So if it breaks this one, good short trades. Cryptocurrency, I'm bearish. We'll see tomorrow how much money we can make. Now let's look at USD JPY. I like trading this. It has paused for 2 days. So tomorrow, if it's somewhere here or it breaks out, this is a trade I'm looking at. I'm going to go long into this. This is my analysis for USD JPY. Now GBP USD, we're gonna look at start off from weekly because something important is happening here. It's been stuck in this range. That's how currencies are. Usually no big swings, but after the indecision, it's going up. So if it closes above this important level or above this high, I'm taking long tomorrow in this. Next currency, the last one we're gonna look at is AUD JPY. This is going to be a good trade, which I am hoping to take tomorrow. If it breaks out of this level, I'm going to take long on this one. So that's my plan for tomorrow. We've had some losses today. We're still happy. We still show up. We'll still do the work. And it is until tomorrow. Thank you. And keep watching The Disciplined Trader.